Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I am fine. This is Sakib. I am a student of Dialogue IELTS Coaching Center. By the grace of Almighty Allah, now I am going to talking about today's topic. Today's topic is my village. All to be honest, my village name is Bagbari. It is my native village. It's located at Sonagar south side area. It's a beautiful village. Is Bagbari village is honorable and very wonderful and very beautiful village. Bagbari village is Eknong Poro ward in Sonagar side. This village is very wonderful. There are many type of people live in my village of Bagbari. Most of people poor guy, but his people is very friendly or supported all time. My village member is very wonderful. My village is very wonderful. There are 1,500 people live in my village, but most of the people very poor guy, and people is very worked places, very workful people. My village advantage at one primary school, 4 Moscow and 1 Quarry Bar is the most wonderful village site, and your beautiful site is very nicely supported to my village. Well, my village is very nicely and very honorable. Then me will fan friendship, not talking to will video. Oh, to honestly, my village member is very honest. That's why, son. Thank you.